BeamerTech offers wireless chargers for a host of vehicles, and now we offer one for the G20. This simple, completely reversible wireless charger takes the place of some of the dead space in front of your cup holders, and our research and development team in Poland was so excited to share this with you, they decided to film it themselves. Anyway, let's get started with the installation. Here are the tools you need for the job: BeamerTech trim tools, a screwdriver with a T20 Torx bit, and pick tools. First, pop off this mat in front of your cup holders. This is where the wireless charger will go. Next, remove the rubber floor of the cup holders. This will expose the two T20 screws that you need to remove. Once the screws are out, pull up on the cup holders to remove them. Remove the 12-volt plug and attach it to the BeamerTech harness. Take the 12-volt side of our harness and plug it into the cup holder. Now grab the wireless charger itself and slide the harness through the hole found in the trim. Once you get that going, you're going to find two pieces of double-sided tape located on the back of the wireless charger. Now, the guys in Poland didn't film this, but just make sure you peel off the backing of the double-sided tape around this point. Pull the harness all the way through and set the charger in place. Press it down to ensure the tape is secured to the center console. Plug the connector of the charger into the BeamerTech harness and tuck all of the connectors in the center console. Put the cup holder back in place and screw it down. Replace the rubber insert and you're done. The blue LED will... The blue LED... The blue... Guys... The blue LED will turn green, indicating that your phone is charging. If you want to get this upgrade for your G20, head on over to our website and to your VIN, and you will see all the available upgrades for your ride. We hope you found this video enjoyable and helpful, getting you to take a look at our R&D team at work. For more install videos and plenty more product videos, make sure you subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss any of the future upcoming videos. And hey, check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok as well. Thanks for watching.